can always see the night.
Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger. Today we're gonna talk about the Supreme Timbs collaboration. We got the OG Yuttas, the Butters, Timberland collaboration, but this time there's no boots, bruh. And to be honest, I probably think that shit is a good thing, because the last time they did some boots, them shits was probably ass. I'm not even gonna lie. And I don't even remember which was the last collab, but I could bet probably my last dollar that shit was ass. Bro, the Timbs collaboration haven't been fire for a minute. That's beside the point. We're gonna go ahead and talk about everything releasing this week. If you do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. Go ahead and follow Nori Archives on Instagram, bruh. I keep posting heat on there. Go ahead and check it out. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So as y'all can see right here, we got the drop list for the 28th of October, which is this Thursday for Supreme. The first item is the Swiss Advance Chrono N5. Bruh, it's a pocket knife, you feel me? And this is a US exclusive, so my people out in EU, Japan, we apologize, bro. This is only coming to the US. It does have like this little fork vibe, a little knife. I like the way that it has a little hex, because sometimes you do be needing that shit around the house, not gonna lie. This might be my priority for this week, to be honest. I don't mind either colorway. Both of them are fire. That is the first item. Do I feel like it's gonna have resale? I don't know. Retail is already $64. The only way I could see this reselling is down the line, to be honest. I do think that it's a really usable item. I like the way that it has the cap opener. It has a little fork and another set of utensils that you don't normally get on a utility knife. This is fire. Let me know what y'all think about this down below. Second up, we got the Timberland hooded sweatshirt. This one comes in 5 different colorways. Definitely like that plum color or the cream one. Both of those are fire. The black one goes hard as well. Honestly, this shit is hard. I love the way that it has the Stone Island-esque vibe on the sleeve, and it just has the simple Supreme Timberland branding. That's normally the type of vibe that I like going for. I think that this is a banger item. Let me know what y'all have to say about this piece. Honestly, I would love to add this in either that purple or that cream color to the collection. Yeah, this is actually kind of fire. Let me know what y'all have to say about this piece. Honestly, I would rate this hoodie like a 8.59 out of 10. I feel like it's an everyday type wearable hoodie, especially in that black or that cream color. Burgundy-ish color is clean as well. We also do have the jacket from the teaser. This one is actually a vibe. If you guys can tell, it is iridescent. So basically it looks like this, but it's really this. You feel me? Once the light hits it, I think that's actually sick. Let me know what y'all have to say about that. I love the fact that it does have the classic logo, New York City, with a little phone number under it. This is actually a banger. I think this shit is hard. Retail on this bitch is hard to swallow, bruh. Pause. This is a fire jacket, but for $448, that's OD, bro. Like, that is OD. I feel you though, because it is a cool ass jacket and it probably would stand the test of times, but bruh, after taxes, that's like $500 for a jacket. No, like, we good on that shit. It might be something a lot of people dig as well, but let's go ahead and talk about the reversible ripstop jacket. This one comes in 3 colors, that blue, burgundy, and then the black. All 3 of these colors are fire. I do love that slate blue, and it is reversible. So as you can see right here, you can flip it inside out, and it basically has all like these boot prints going all across the jacket. I feel like this did leak a while ago. I do like this a lot. The fact that you can go ahead and play around with the jacket. Honestly, I would never wear it like this. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but I'm glad that you can if you wanted to. You feel me? I do like that blue color the most, and then the black is fire. Both of those are hard. This cargo jacket is fire though. I love that pocket exaggerated on the chest area. Then you got the little cargo flap pockets. Those are hard. Honestly, this jacket is clean. Let me know what y'all have to say about this one. I would rather cop this jacket right here than that $448 jacket. That one is steep, bro. Like, we good on that. Let's go ahead and close that shit up. Wildin' with that. This hat is actually kind of fire. I'm not gonna lie. I do like the fact that it just has Supreme on the front, real simple, and it has a little box logo under it. This is actually not bad in that blackish worn color. That one goes hard. That olive is clean as well. After that, honestly, I'd probably go red, and if I can't get any of those, it's a wrap for the hat, bro. Like, I could only go with those colors. We got this piece right. We got the glitter short sleeve. Honestly, if this wasn't glitter, this would be a hard ass shirt. I just hate the way that glitter just falls off and it gets everywhere. Like, I'm not a fan, to be honest. This would have been so fire if it wasn't glitter, you feel me? Like, embroider this bitch on there, I don't know, do something. But glitter is not the vibe, you feel me? This design though is hard. They could have even went the Swarovski way with it, and this would have been hard. I love the design, like the whole branding and the little 4 flowers under the spell out. It does look clean, but I don't know about that glitter shit. Like, they wildin', bro. All of these are nasty. Y'all already know how I feel about the color white on tees, you feel me? Them shits get too dirty. But let's talk about this Ecstasy hoodie. This one basically comes in 4 colors. We got this brown, which is probably my favorite, and then the black is hard as well. I do like the way that it looks artistic, but it's not doing the most. It's like a simple picture, simple spell out, call it a day. I feel like that brown color is gonna be fire, especially if it has that red branding. This black one is clean as well. Honestly, wouldn't go wrong with either of those 2 colors. Even that purple is kind of clean. Let me know what y'all have to say about this one. A lot of people are sleeping on it. Personally, I just go for brown or black on this one if you are gonna buy it for the personal. We got these 2 trays releasing this week, and this is basically the Lady Pink collection that Supreme is doing this season. 2 different ashtrays. These are sold separately and it's $48 each, so make sure you go ahead and pick and choose the one you want. Honestly, both of these are kind of fire. They give a different vibe. I like the graffiti inspired one on the right, and I do like the lady-esque with the cars type vibe on the other one. Both of these are fire. We do have this Supreme Timberland Rugby. This one comes in 3 colors. Y'all already know the vibes. If you know me, you know that I would go for the black colorway. It's like a little Thanksgiving wear, you feel me? Like a little suited and booted type of vibe. I don't know. You could wear this with like a little black cargo, some heat on the feet, and that's it. Call it a day. But this does come in 3 different colorways. Honestly, it's whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and get the fuck up out of there because I don't really love that piece. These pants right here are reversible as well, just like the jacket, and it's basically the same 3 colorways. The blue, and it's basically the same 3 colorways on the inside and the outside. I'd probably just wear it on this side right here, but I hate the fact that the branding is so high you wouldn't even see it. So let's go ahead and get up out of there. This goes hard. I love this jacket in that black color. That one is clean. I wonder if it has anything on the back. It's sequin, bro. What are they doing with the glimmery shit? Yo, what if you wanted to wash this shit down the line? Like, it's over. It's really over. Like, it's over for your whole shit. Like, this shit gonna fall apart. We good on that. Retail on that is $248. Honestly, I would pick up the Timberland jacket before this right here, before this shit right here. So let's get up out of here. We got the Lady Pink skate decks, 3 different skate decks. Honestly, I believe that these are sold separately once again. So if you do want one of these or the other one of these, make sure that you're on it when you're choosing. Honestly, I don't even know which one I'd pick up. The car one is fire, or the one on the left is fire. The 2 on the outside are hard. Honestly, the one in the middle, I don't know how I feel about it. I think it's cool, but like, I don't know. I feel like this shit works as a set, to be honest. But I'm skipping on that shit as well. Like, honestly, a lot of items this week are just not for me. We got this beanie right here, which is fire. Fire, bro. But the glitter, like, what are you doing with glitter on a beanie? Like, no, bruh, it is not New Year's Eve. Take this shit up out of here. We need no glitter on no fucking beanies. Like, cancel the glitter out the equation, bruh. If this shit was just a regular beanie, this shit would have been hard. Like, low-key, when I saw it, I'm like, yo, this shit is fire. Open this shit up, see the name of it, the fucking glitter beanie, bruh. Like, what the is that? Let me know in the comments below if y'all rocking with this. Honestly, if it wasn't glitter, I would have copped it, but this shit is a L. Like, look at that salmon color. That shit look nasty. They never make that color, and they do it with glitter. Like, bruh, relax. So I'm about to rapid fire through all this dookie shit. If I see anything clean, I'm gonna open it or talk about it a little bit longer, but there's a lot of cheeks. We got this crochet beanie, you feel me? This is the grandma stitched beanie. I do think it's cool. Honestly, the colors they decided to go for are tragic. Like, this shit is missing completely. It could have been fire if it was just simple colors, but they OD'd, you feel me? Too much shit going on. We got the Supreme Timberland 6-panel. Honestly, I feel like this isn't that bad. It looked like you about to go golfing if you buy this shit. Like, we good. The black color isn't that bad. Low-key, that one gives me stony vibes, but the two-tone shits, get them shits out of here. Those are the golfing, like, you feel me? You carrying the fucking golf clubs. You not even playing golf. You just carrying them for the motherfucker playing. But yeah, we good on this hat right here. We We got the Sway in the Morning beanie right here. I remember having one of these bitches back in the day. I had the New York Yankees radar beanie, bruh, and they're releasing this bitch with the little Supreme vibe on it. Let me know if y'all copping the Sway in the Morning beanie, bruh. We good on this shit all the way good on this shit. Like, let me know in the comments if y'all buying this head ass beanie, bro. This shit is $38. Keep your money, bro. Keep your money, bro. Don't do it. Just don't do it. But we got this leather shirt for $300. $300. This shit is really $300, but it is a lambskin, bruh. So if you want that lambskin vibe all over you, that shit is all you, bruh. Like, I'm good on that shit. We got the ear flap camp cap. 2-in-1. What the f does 2-in-1 mean? What does that mean? Let me know, please. Could you take half the hat off? How does this shit work? Have you had one of these shits in the past? I've been fortunate enough to not have ever bought one of these shits in my life, so I don't know how this works, but let me know. So the last two items are this leather pair of pants, which is $400. That's all I'm gonna say. 400 leather pants. The fucking Eddie Murphy Raw Special leather pants right here. We good on those. And then we got the mesh 5-panel lady pink joint. We good on that shit as well. Honestly, bro, just nah. There's so much better shit releasing. Even the glitter beanie is low-key kind of better than that shit. I don't know, honestly. I feel like this week all I'm gonna go for is this shit right here. I might not even go for it, to keep it 100 with y'all, but this is clean. It's either one of these two pieces for me. I'm gonna see if I'm trying to splurge or not, because honestly, I'm not trying to be out here splurging. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna go for tomorrow in the morning, but make sure you go ahead and stay tuned for the live cop tomorrow. Leave a like on this video if you did enjoy. Subscribe to the channel down below if you would like more of this type of content. Click the post notification bells. You already know the vibes. But yeah, make sure you go ahead and follow Nori.archives. I've been going hard on there, you feel me? I've literally posted 150 pictures plus on there, bro, in like a month, low-key. But yeah, I've been going hard on here. It's self-explanatory, bro. Like, but yeah, follow Nori.archives. With all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one.